the lawyer me say the lawyer no answer eknaye and I miss so me catch no sa friend no I want the 3 lines ni nyina say yedi komo na want me amfa we nyina no wa yina no but name me say the essence of the letter of postponement no say omo kancha we say disciplinary committee meeting no maso na who say wa o sa anka letter no a ene anase 6 year yet na see me bo wa mane say omo ma o letter no and omo kire say meeting no maso enu nti na wo baaye na disciplinary committee no enne ha asama me pese nipa bebre etie disciplinary committee no a standing committee of national council chaired by Amwakwata and a secretary no honorable Patrick Boama. And the committee is a different from the national leadership of the party. Later, Bia committee no draw. And yes, the general secretary no trust that particular letter no. Because general secretary no only a member of the disciplinary committee. Me amika say me member of the disciplinary committee. In semi nyina mikaye enora mishia no na mikaye, it was a relay of information from the disciplinary committee to Honorable Adwasafo. Mutie a relay of information as a member of the party at the party secretariat at the headquarters. You relay information of the disciplinary committee to Honorable Adwasafo. And we enya asembia say yeba bontin be debate one who letter another one who letter me as Deputy General Secretary, from the messenger, from the dispatcher of the letter, mahun evidence of message SN Ama on Honorable Adwasafo, and a Miami Kasamakan, and me what the evidence of the lawyer receipt and acknowledgement say Omonsaka letter, but the ACN are see. But a necreno that be canchamu na obi biara betie. But the disciplinary committee no anytime I say omuba schedule meeting with Honorable Adwasafo no omuba ta ebesi ema no enye general secretary ebeye. It is the committee, the disciplinary committee omu wo hihyeya omu ye say di letters ema omu inva enti and the crana ma mebubu ato omo amutie Sompa FM this morning. You Mr.
Atiarana Mohammed Namote say all day ejremu ebano. And anope I'll be hosting that Derek Cosby Ousu and this Ashanti Regional Communication Team 10K NUST and Nana J. Perez, MPP Communication Team member, or no so ever becoming Sanope. Sabri, Yane, active point for the Chenkoma and Fawasamo, na Ehu Niama Bebre, na Yenshe, and Sama Ebe Koso Anope. When they join us, we'll be having a lot of deliberation on issues here. Mami Tio, I want to say, I saw Michael. Mami Tio.
Ade Akye Abia now the way so so na dia ka wo no medina no let's particles ni na MPP emra na wonu no entim na ho ye na bo modern so be floss usime flossing no e say wo the dental floss ebe ye kofa baby kofa dua bi kofa prai bi every go use ema wo si no enko pra moja na se emuja emfiri wonum ho no emma no ma nan so ayentinti a wo dentist so no anya bia no bosumi nsia bia no na wo so onko dentist so na ohwe wonum enhwe wosim sa no pa no twus no na hu se nsae bi ewo wonum ho no mu a mesre tu ho na mo na ko dentist so no se so wo dai na wo te se eya obi ewo wosim ho no mu a ana se wo dia hwehwe wosim na hu tokuru bi edem etokuru bi atu ewo wosim ana wo dia hwehwe no ehwe wosim no wosim anim ho no hu se ekwa bi da wosim ase ama wosim change color eden carbon bi eba wonum a mesre tu ho na mo na ko dentist so no na omo a no hwehwe sa wo ha no ba bi a efri ba na untu ase eyi ma so ni dentist so a for active point and tackling na fire or dental na ne o mani ebusuafo nyina momra ye branches a ebi ewo Kumasi Santase de nyame ebe ultimate radio no Accra Jogo Presby Junction no so branch back ho ho kaso a Crispo City ebe farm depo sunya o ya bro sana be koko bodran about no e na Obuasi Dunko Junction na Konka road ho se hwidwuna sana de chef filling station e na Takwa Achempem a ebe Western Transport Station ho no ebe DVL office no oba ye behwe wonum ene osin e hawo ni na ewie so ani asan atufo na ya cheche okwa be fa so abitwi osin because ekwa be fa so abitwi so no e be bo ayi pa ma osin no emu ada ho no ayi se bi efin na ewo wo osin nyina efi ho no na wonum no ada ho ayi pa ene ye nkoma e bit no ye hwe ekwan a ene ana se e de e kire se obi a betimi enya esen yare ni bi obi a betimi enya esen yare no ebi e de na wo ya e be mo betimi amo enya esen yare ni nyema be na wo se ontwe ho emfiri ho na eye enema eye ye dada abrabo a ye bo na se ye dada sitremu nyema ye na obi a nhwemu kire se obi a esen wo nanum bia no oye at risk se obenya esen anase enum eyare obi a esen wo num bia no oye at risk se obenya esen anase enum eyare na ya na ye enema bi na kan kabo ma yetimi eye at risk se obenya enum anase esen yare bia na ebi eye ye ora hygiene no ekwan fa so edi enum ene yesi eni no eno ya me ani anko ho no so etime kwan be de ho se benya enum anase esen na ora hygiene no bia na ebi de poor pa ese o manani nko nanum ene ne se ho no anso agya nanum ne sa eno me kwan be da ho so benya enum anase esen yare ni bi ena obi so no mo a ne paste na o use no fried any will paste no mu a apart from say bia o dentist na chere say ebia wo enum anase esen how be ntin use kind of paste bi no me so wo koto paste that use paste a fried e wo fried no e wo paste no ma eno ebe bo yi pa ama abo ose ene wanum no e ho ban na wetimi anya fresh anase wanum no beda ho no mabre bia na etimi abo yi pa ena omo nso a omo edi sugar enuane bebre no omo nso ya na ekwan bitimi ebedo omo ho eyi pa ma omo timinya enum ne esen yare ni bia ya na emo omo yi kra ena ye enum anase esen yare no enema ya na emekwan beda ye ho ebi enso ye lifestyle no bi onmo a onom akoho pa se onom akoho bebre a eno no etimi emma kwan beda ho so benya enum anase esen yare no ahodo no ebi ya na emo ayi kra akọ no ya na kwan fa so edi yenum dwuma no eyese ema onum no eye dry wonum eye dry pe na yese kwan beda ho se obenya enum anase esen yare no ena ye ntasu no so ya na emu no ye dry no so ya na etimi nkabone eba enum nti sa ya lifestyle se ye nom akoho bebre no eno so timma ekwan beda ho se benya enum anase esen yare cafe any tea ahodo no ene wine ahodo no so ya na ye nom no so ya na eno so timi emekwan beda ye ho menya enum anase esen yare enya se wo se no eye oyanko anase kakaba so no ena eye enum anase esen yare da bi na emu enum na esen yare na guna ahodo bebre kaka betu wo simu wo se ebekeka ekwan beda wo se ase enkabo ne ebifi wo numu aba eye oral cancer ni nyina ye enum ne esen yare wo se efemfem wo no enyina eka ho bi ena ekwan beda ase ase gingivitis no se ekwanimu na akoye periodontal disease no ni nyina ye enum ne esen yare wo se so e change color no so no ni nyina eka ho bi ena se bi wo se forefore so no a eno so ema wo kasa no ema ye ni nyina so eka enum ne esen yare nti enum ne esen yare no ya na edo so ye pa nti niam bi a wo ye a emekwan beda ho se ubenya enum ne esen yare no wo se mo wani enko ho yi pa ena unyini ne nso no kwan timi beda ho so bitimi anya saa yare no ebi efiri wanum ene se anase osim no ena omo nso omo diabetes no ene akoma yare na hodo ni bi no ya na enu so timi mekwan beda ho so bitimi anya enum anase esen yare ba bi a wo to locality no ɛno nso wotumi ɛkwan bitumi ɛbɛda ho na sɛ ɔyɛ atere sɛ wotumi anya aduma na sɛ ɛsen ɛyareɛ ɛne nneɛma ahodoɔ bebree a na yɛyɛ a yɛma yɛni ɛnkɔ ho no genetics ne nso no ɛyɛ abusua no mu nso no yɛ na ɛsen yare no bi hɔ no yɛ na ɛwɔ abusua no ɛno nso ɛtumi ɛkwan ɛbɛda ho sɛ obɛnya enum anaasɛ ɛsen yare no nti biribiara a wobɛyɛ a ɛma wo ho ɛda hɔ anaasɛ ɛyɛ ɛma woyɛ expose sɛ wobɛnya enum anaasɛ sen yare no bia no ebia w'ani ɛnkɔ ho no mesrɛ deɛ woyɛ bia no ma w'ani nkɔ nsesaeɛ a ɛba w'anum ɛba wo sen ho no ɛno bɛboa ɔmahu sɛ yareɛ bi ɛɛba m'anum anaasɛ nsesaeɛ wɔ si a ɛɛbɛyɛ deɛ ɔyaw na ɛba ɛde mɛsɛ keka na ɛba ɛde mogya na ɛba ɛde anum nka na ɛba ebi ama mɛsi atu ama mɛsi ntokuro aba abɛdɛm ama meyɛ na no ayɛ mmerɛ ɛno no nyinaa ɛba saa na wahu kwan abɛfa so a wobɛdi w'anum ɛne wo se no ɛho adwuma wɔkɛtrama so nso ayɛ na ɛfi ɛda so bebree no nso no ɛwɔ sɛ wompɛ tank cleaner na womfa clean so yie no nso ɛtumi kwan bɛda ho sɛ nkabɔ ne yɛbɛba w'anum no ɛno no ɛkɔ akyiri nso a wobɛhu sɛ na ɛno nso de ɔhaw foforɔ ɛɛsane kɔ wo munim hɔnom ne saa na ɛde ɔhaw foforɔ ɛna aba wo nipadua no so a ɛmmoa yie kura nti sesaeɛ bi a ɛbɛkɔ so w'anum ɛne wo simu bia na ma w'ani nkɔ ho na tu anama ɔkɔ dentist hɔnom na wɔnhwɛ saa ɔhaw no a akyerɛ sɛ ɛɛba no nyinaa na ɔhaw no nso ɛɛba no sɛ osia no kwan yi ɔbɛsan akyerɛw nneɛma a ɔbaa bɛyɛ na wobɛyɛ a ɛbɛboa na wobɛdi w'anum ɛne wo se no ɛnni paa na yareɛ bia ɛntumi ama wo ho ankyerɛw so woni dɛte nso ade sina medical account active point dental clinic na fa yɛ wo dental home na bra na yɛhwɛ w'anum ɛne wo se ɛhaw no nyinaa na ɛmfiri ɛhɔnom ɛmfa ɛma wo yie paa ɛyɛ adwuma adwoada ɛkɔsi memene da nɔpa no nwɔtwe ɛkɔsi anwummere no nsia so wokɔ branches nyinaa ɛyɛ adwuma adwoada kɔsi memene da nɔpa no nwɔtwe ɛkɔsi anwummere no nsia so wokura private health insurance nso a wobɛtumi ɛde abɛyɛ gap health insurance bankers no mo na yɛ ada mo yisu gap health insurance no moba yɛhwɛbɛhwɛ mo yie paa wokura cosmopolitan health insurance nso a wobɛtumi aba ace medical insurance nso ɛyɛ abra ɛna equity health insurance nso wokura saa card wei sɛ private health insurance ɛnan wei nyinaa na wobɛtumi ɛde aba na yɛahwɛ deɛ insurance no ɛkɔva na yɛhwɛ w'anum ɛne wo sen ɛhaw no ade bae no na yɛtumi ɛde adi ho dwuma ɛde ama na wo ho atɔ yie paa yɛsan wɔ payment plans nso a sɛ wo treatment no ɛbɛtaki more than 1 day a yɛtumi na ɔplan na yɛaboa na wɔtreatwa no kakrakrakra ne nyinaa na yɛtreati wo sɛ yɛbɛyɛ wo treatment no nyinaa awie na wo ho atɔ ɔsɛ na atu a ɔba yɛbɛsi ama wo ɔhaw bi ɛkɔ w'anum ɛwɔ sim biara no ɔba yɛbɛhwɛ wo na wo ho atɔ yie paa yɛ number no yɛ 0554 571 779 0554 571 779 number na ɛsan yɛ WhatsApp number nti wɔ audio bi wɔ video bi na apɛ sɛ yɛnhu a wode sɛnde yɛ a na yɛhwɛ ne yɛama wo ansa na yɛdi ho dwuma de ma wobɛtumi so afɔle social media platform no nyinaa so na wɔnum ɛne wo se ha obiara no wo ne yɛdi ho nkɔbɔ na yɛaboa wo yie paa.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy your day. Okay. Na adeɛ baako a sisi a catch the attention of many Ghanaians this cocaine issue. Na yɛwura ntim fɔdwoɔ a ɔyɛ mmarahyɛbadwani no a ranking member for defense and interior no wasa de abeto abɔnten sɛ ɔka ne pain akyerɛ Ghanafoɔ sɛ saa cocaine na March 4th National Investigative Bureau for enya hint a ɔmo kɔkye ɛyɛ tipa track ɛwɔ Pedu Junction ɛwɔ Cape Coast a na anwea gum a ɔmo kɔdu mu na cocaine 143 sacks ɛna na ɛhyɛ anwea n'ase no nipa mmienu a ɔmo kye wɔn no wɔn de ɔmo kɔ baabi ma ɔmo kɔ hu cocaine 13 sacks ɛwɔ obi fie now cocaine no woka ne nyinaa bɔ ma yɛ 3,319 kilograms purity level yɛ 50 to 70%. na yɛ sɛ ayɛ sɛ dudo no ewom ne street value ɛyɛ $350 million. Papa yi say ɔka ne pay sɛ ɛyɛ NDC parliamentary candidate bi na cocaine yɛ ne dea na mpanimfoɔ nim saa nti ɛna obusa ho asɛm a ɔmode no ato tankruwam deɛ ɛtɔ so mmienu ɔde information bi abɛto dwa sɛ aeroplane a Minister for Government spokesperson na ɔkasa ma aban no yɛ Felix Ofosu Kwakye ɛde bɛtu dwa airplane no bɛbɔ ne din no ɔka kyerɛ fosu kɔ akye so ɔboa adentira wɔse live flight tracking of that airplane no ɛsi kotoka a entu yɛ kɔ bɛ busumi ne busumi ani eti wɔse saa airplane no na de lubricant no ne pass ne ba yɛ sɛ ɛmbɛd na asɛe no wɔde saa airplane no na bɛtu dwa sɛ ɛno na saa ba yɛ a ɛbɛyɛ dɛ ɛbɛboa ma ɔmutumi repair saa airplane no na asɛe no a wɔboa na airplane no data kyerɛ sɛ entu firi Ghana ɛwɔ Ghana tarmac ne so a bɛɛ busumi ne airplane no nkɔ baabi a Intim fɔdwo se airplane a falisofosu kɔ akye se ɛde spare parts of the other plane a asɛe ne baeɛ no ɔka ne pay sɛ airplane no live flight tracking no airplane no nkɔ baabi a eti ɛdɛ ne kɔfa lubricant oil ɛne spare parts bɛyɛ repair the other one ɔso ɔmo boa airplane bi esi hɔ na ɔmo sɛ ɛda kɔyɛ na edi kɔi who is hiding what sɛ yɛbɔ cocaine so fra ɔman bi a ewiase ama na nyinaa ma ɔman ni bedi akyi ɛba saa citizens yɛtu kwan a yɛsɛkye yɛ te sɛ deɛ yɛsɛkye ayi bɔtɔm ɛdeɛ nimguaseɛ edi sɛ ɛto yɛn ba 2021 yɛa na yɛyi Ghana free cocaine transit points countries a ɔmo aso yɛ na yɛde cocaine kɔbɔ wura hɔ no 2021 yɛa ɛna yɛyi Ghana din free that radar no so papa no say ɔsa ka ne pain cocaine no 350 million no NDC parliamentary candidate 2024 elections ya ɔno ne cocaine ya 150 ni deɛ ɔso onu nipa korɔ ɛyɛ nipa korɔ no NDC parliamentary candidate bi dia wɔamoni di emo mo say saa replay a ɛwɔ hɔ ɔmo say ɛno na de ayi baeɛ no wɔkɔyɛ research a Kotoka International Airport amani di te say replay ne ntui eti ɛdɛ na saa replay no timi kɔ ama no ne ɛkɔfa spare parts baeɛ papa we or the assembly that show. I don't know if Kukua can get Reverend John in team for job for me. Yow, Transenia Monkomo. Na yenim command pay. Adewe a here Ghana for papa. Because I want you say utu kwaina yow ye do fra a nipa bi na ye bon search ayaw enye easy. I say a new also. And now can say go bathroom cry. Ordinary so conjunsa. Nay, overcome Pina, Brody Vigil or show. Oh, no, say, Tiklan, I almost say, with a 1 minute, BB. The intimidation and what the unfortunate thing are Nigerians, people, because of him, they be near and go February airports, no. It shouldn't happen in this country. Ghana, Yamiatum, Uboy denied in pa. It's cocaine, no. And we here. And we have so much to be able to move your pa. Ya overcome my penny to 4 pesos. It didn't tago. Any Elijah Bass. Yeah. And we remove a damn pie man. Yet she won't jelly woman. And a jar woman. Over quarter piece about. Over car watching. In Kwanzaa off. Yeah. Yet chino, or no crowd yet. Or the cocaine if you got a brochen, your cochino. A mammy, you be a legend in there, so say before be women organizers beer, yet you cocaine. Cocaine idea was also so. Kotinka. And I know Minister of Interior. A year, Honorable Muntaka Mubara. A small catcher police commander, a commander Tete. So was Srenoa. On my 6 weeks. And now 6 months. So wait to me, I'm a thinker, a 10 of the pastor. And come back to say, can I come and tell you? We'll go ahead at Tama Pan and your my ye. cocaine tra your cocaine so this all the amanyosem bem Ghana be bia near the amanyosem where our common NDC parliamentary candidate in a good. So I think for you also we know na yes on person go NDC anymore say the background NDC for the suman so e cocaine na and say you get at in officer obere we say parliamentary candidate or you cocaine dealer you only pa baby I know muti your young robbers who nim that and ya we you will be on my issue to cocaine business but how come shops be for autoniema say nye the chocho buchobi na be catch who that it's the moment I had NDC be fra ye dey MPP be fra no Ghana say asem to now per say gua na asem to twa ye na MPP NDC near the front page ye can we asa egu not to my before man ya kwaba
me Josu oborominu ya
chala ma say to say
nyame nti boko na no pay ye chi obi biara a wo tie yan de ye keka nyina no eye wapom dere ho asem obo sori anantie obeye den yehu eye wapom dere nenne no eni papa ye ho ye hunu yasenem ensem na ye bibiribe enu ntie ye hia se wodi aduane yie didi yie na odaache enye kama na Nyankopon omfrew wodidi yie a odaache ebe ye kama ena no pay your future your life daache wonkwa ena wo bo ho ban na obusa se future life ne ye de yen natural food supplement eye aduane o aduane na wudie na wodi future life a efiri utirim kosi wonase obi bia eye kama ade ntra aduane ni kura 23 vitamins and minerals 19 amino acids selenium moducare inulin dietary fiber omega 3 high in protein ye de egu aduane ba kom se didi ne men ne moa ne mpam yare emfiri wo ho fisa wo bre dodo bra wo bre no ene niema wudidie no emoa ene de atwa ho ahie nyina aye ensem bebre enu ntino se won anya aduane papa ani na ntima balance ne bi kakra ma wo a utimu se eniema nko yie saa mo waduane ya wudie enhia se ne asantefo bu be no se wotete aduane bone ma yefuna abobotwene ama wasa future life eye aduane a ebo daache ho ban na ya hodo ye wono original one a obi adi ene de aka no nso bia na ne bi me na hawo wo ba na wo kire ne a ne no nso yetima hunu kwan ye de wo befa so ye woni 0 oats ye woni high protein ye woni beauty ye wo repair ba ne no meka beauty ho asem efiri se enipa obitima hie nipa wonam kora no wo kasakasa enima nkoyi adwendwene ni nti ebra saa ne ma wo nyina eto so no na ma wo wede no esesa wo skin bones esesa obehia wo bi woni ne ko school na se yie ba na akọ okurum na akoto no a wutimi se woni ni nyina bia mumfie eye pe nanso wo hu no ne wede na nyini agya mfie no enne saa na tie wo hu obi a nanim onyina nkasa wo chia wo kora wutimi se ne nsam kora nyini na apeso hu ni ye nso aya ahwe wo nsa achi wo de aya ahwe wa wo nsa achi so wo nsa achi no apompono gu so atwontwom aye nwonwona de a ne ne ohia beauty food efiri se Onyankopon de collagen egu ya widiem na no na eboa wo ebema wanim mponponye na wo wanim no a ase ntimi nye entoso tron na afei utimi se ensensanye bi ababu wanim no mo maso wonsa achi ene wo wede na ye basa ohia beauty food mese ohia beauty food ade ntra abrofo eye ede ma ye no reduce wrinkles in 28 days enunti se wo wede na sesa na chese okona agyen so osa na wein ena makamfo beauty food ede amawo mesrawo se wanim ensensanye na doso se ne asanteka se me kana se dankate no a aba wanim no a wanim ntimi nye smooth no wohia se wodi beauty food wo mo wi ntimi mfu utiriwi ntimi mfu a wohia se wodi beauty food na mse wo wede no ebere pe no kama pa ma eye aduane ena wudie enye aduro na wo nom eye aduane ena wudie nti so waye bibi na wo wede no ntimi enye kama na obi hu na obusa asa kwaku na adan saa asɛm no ɔkan no wanka bibia antoa so ɛno nko akyerɛ nsɛm bebrebe mehyia akwaku dabi ɛno nko akyerɛ nsɛm bebree ade ai asa adwendweno asa ahokyerɛw asa ahoyɛyɛw asa kaw asa animguasew asa yadew ama owede no ayɛ basaa mesrɛ me kamfo beauty food ɛde ama wo ɛno deɛ wobɛdi adaka yi kora me yɛ wɔ han ehyemu sachet mako 7 na wɔtwe bia wobɛdi baako na wɔtwe bia wobɛdi adaka baako nti na kyerɛ dakoro bia wobɛdi de ehyemu no sachet baako ti wobɛdi baako saa mede mo wadi atoa so bosome na wodi toa so bosome a wobɛdi a hyɛ ase atwa wa ho foto to phone so fato na wodi wie ne diri bosome no so a ayɛ ahwɛ na hwɛ nsa kyerɛ ya aba
before and after
yes wobɛhunu
then and now
nti no nema ni bi no enko yie saa wote awiem na wo ton ade wo hia sɛ wo skin no wo bɔ ho ban wo wedeɛ no sɛ wo bɔ ho ban ifiri sɛ mmere bi twa mu a na sɛ mmere bi aba na yɛde tu nsuo mu sɛ ya na ade asra wɔkyi ne wanim ne wo kom ne wo nsa ho ye koduru baabia no na afei deɛ uyi wa wa mu kɔ ayi a na wo de kɔ nkɔ na isa afei deɛ kabane nyinaa gye si twa ɛfa wo kom nyinaa gye sɛ wo skin no asɛn ɛyɛ saa ama wo mu obegyae wo mu ɛyɛ nyae so uhunu a wutumi sɛ nneɛma nkɔ yie ɛde kasa bi ba akure yi mu nanso no mu nyinaa nim sɛ ɛwɔ side effect na nya ade a wo bi anim ɛnɛ me kamfo ama wo sɛ deɛ ha wo wi deɛ no a ɛyɛ saa no ohia beauty food brabedi bi na moaw fi sɛ nye nnuro no a ɔde sasa woni mo no ɛnɛ ye nua no ma no sra ye nim saa uhu obi kora na ye na wa atu a wataade mu nyinaa asan ɛno nti no ɛba saa na ha adwen ohia sɛ wobedi beauty food ɛno a na meka ho asam the future life aso ye no ye saa wo life tonic ye wo life tonic dudo no ɛnde ye dudo ye kasa tonic ya nkyerɛ sɛ mogyaduro wo ba ye wo life tonic auto future life a mesɛ to life tonic ka ho to life tonic ka ho na de nom me de me yenu nie future life no bedi na nopa awia na wodi ukuru moduane anwumre na wodi future life o koda na wanom life tonic tie ni ye anopa no obedi future life wodi ekom ne future life wodi ekom ne a low glycemic index aduane kire say low GI kire say so obi wi banku ana na fura yekapu no amea wo so obedi atere mansia ne nwotwe wo so ahoɔden a banku ni di ye no a onyae no o men baabia fi se niema yesuma gumu no ɛdɔɔso na ɛboa won so fi se madi kan bɔ sɛ selenium ɛyɛ ade a nyankopɔn de agu aduane bi mu a yɛmfa sɛ wowɔ ntehyewa ɛne korotoa asthmatic patients aya na FDA ma yɛ kwan sɛ yɛmɔ yade din na wedi me de abetwa mu sɛ saa nipa a wo brɛ ɛwɔ home mu wo home a wotumi sɛ intimi so wo brɛ saa nipa no aduane a wobedi e contain selenium ene beboa wo enu nti se basa na wo hia se odi future life wodi a wobohunu se yi saa ne mani nyina afiri ho e aduane a wodie enye da korope na wodi ya so na ye kato ne te daabi wodi eto aso na di na bra wodie no ebobo ho ban life tonic de me hye obi a se tobi ne di eye dudo numbi sani ya yesu sani ya de ma ya nom ye no saa pepepe na wo so wanyini sa wo so num bie wo de nom ne da na abehunu se saa dudo no ai beboa wa nkasa nti e bra wo di future life no anwumre wo koda no anum dudo no life tonic e ya aduane a ene nsuo no a wo nom afiri ye ho na wadi aduane no awia na wadi ukuru moduane yare ya yanti na me kamfo aduane papa ama wo e ya wo future e ya wo life ya topitu ma mu ba bia enu nti so hwe number na so frɛ ne a ye be kyerɛw na wo nso watimanya bi e de akɔfie e no ma na muni akora be ko school akɔfa infection e de free school aba wo baba na nhunu mu so ne nsuo wo be hwa na akora itiri ye ne ya wo baba na honam hyehye e ye kyerɛ sɛ obi fufuro bi na di free efie ba na wo ba no so akɔgye na emom sɛ wo di future life de a boost your immune system akora na ogina brane me kamfo de amount sɛ obi ya ri bi me sɛ saa mre ya fasting for awie wo be wie na wo sɛ wo kokɔ wo hene wo hia sɛ wo di future life na wanom life tonic me kamfo de amount me sra wo ema ne mfiri wo pono so fra yan na yan kyerɛw sɛ ne ba ya be ya to apto wo mu ba bia enkran ya Ghana Telecom University opposite Abeka Junction dia no cast estate fie okoho kuma se ye wo sofo line alignment interchange no so ho a wo do ani a kyerɛ patase no kwanda da na kan ne branch kwa kwada so estate no the opposite your numbers no 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 50 and a number for 0242 87 80 90 0242 87 80 90 me so de dia how bia be je aduane na mo your future your life everybody nchira mo nyira bye bye.
Okay, na ye koya ni mo what are what take kokoso potem hono omo e de SOS aba say yemfanto regional commander nim say wo mu isi akoye a den of criminals as isi hono na am robbers ne akromfo no nyina de omani akire after 6:30 echo untumi nkokokoso ana say I just say mama bi brom pro no pa say omoje bag no so won fama wo ye bo rafie with a tuo eya kame aye say am robbers no de omani asi say kokoso area ho say omo wu say ho ye free range o say it is the regional commander Utia SOS if you want to say yes and you make crowd and boss says that Bita hotel mumba. That is how serious they are telling me. A bonus sia pemu corner is sumuba. Omo to 200 baby wa always cow with me and I bet my koda boy wa no akoda. So what am phobia on have done in chair patasi and I say over koda no akoda. It will go kwa fata dear back. When say be ene o mafie ntandia ene na watoa so
waka ho
intimate na o man nim ana intina kumase ha na nipa kuo kakra bi omo wa tuo no omo betumi asisi enti no enti mesre kokoso se one ayi bara se chi ono ato kokoso tiki mu ho mesra mo aprosifo amo commander wo na wo hwe ho you sure say kwada so divisional command no they in charge
agonta
kada dian komo ba unso wa ba
agonta we de baby a wo ka ho asemi ya kokoso ene baby akuku atene fro say koku ase na kokoso sa area ho enra agonta a police for ne emrantie bi na omonam mpotam ho no mo na yese omokofa sika obi sika na afiri ato
famna ko fai
mrantie no
na
sika no modu kakra
ene
free to on ode ko saa mayanka bi na wo so amiafichire no de ko ayimu ho no kuku am side ho no between saa mayanka no ede ko saa junction na ode kopia ode tibi fa wo ko abreport junction no omo si mfinfin ho no na sika ne efri toye
ale na sika ne dade mu ne efri to
omo suspect say ida se na nipa no ebia otimoto so na se ne butom na like bondo wo hu and efri toye and boys ne fire nti akwakodi ye nuanoma police fo bi nsam and omo ekire se bia uyo obi a ofa asampotam no mo enra ewia no na wo sika bi afri ato a bondo am se ma memfa amount no entudwa ena denomination ni ade no so ba the wo musician de otum ze modu ene free toy
no be under Ghana kwa o we see free taxi ni wasa abarechi a whole bundle
ndi na gese
police for no
e wo mo ho
it come for identification
come for identification and collection.
No police for no more info. So I'm a police and I am police.
Homo between Mensia police and a central. Now, Utimisa said like it was a form of a small patrol.
I know Kotoso.
And no more Kotoso.
No one for number be
Omo mame number. Police for no mame number. Number near 0244
0244
64 71
41
0244 64 71 41.
Let's just say Ukofa Hona, who the office of Sikaira.
Usikaira.
So Sikanya.
Mo. Yeah, police for it is a Ogodro now. Mo. Udu anom do any one no pion do all change I do.
Na boys in this account.
Debbie.
Mo. Omo ye papa.
Ah, kunta.
Na masa akoso dia ne weti attack. Mama nyawe.
Obe ama mere. Intact.
Nemo mu kodia.
Mo.
Ye wadwene say
Mo.
to so dudu.
Mo.
Ko police for no.
Mo.
Would have decided not to bring the money. Go be any omo shey.
Mo. Oh, the police is winning the bar.
I said, me make say, Uka. No, I am a man. I was your for a very was said, Nana and Jay. But you're more flan into so I. And I know power wine, no more bedding come over Fiano. Nah, you know more. Oh, Mama. Oh, okay. Mom right and Chairman, you know, Adams, we are no matter as in to check about. No, my tail on pay.
One would say, young faster than what we jump on. Nah, young fine chess on. And my baby are OT and I say, or heard you may be. Nah, young fat body can have be a man come before in a go in Shai. Last week now, yeah, home and to me and share. Last 2 weeks, not you're starting come away for sickle cell.
That's right.
I say sickle. And can force my man last week now because the entire holidays in the yeah, twice. Question say one door soon be man for pay like it's a mono a year pa. Now my who say partner mo choose no and go effect. And to me the American na say so your career so second SU mu dia Mr. and for beyond the SU.
Say we are AS.
Go 5 years.
Go 5 years.
Aye.
We are AS go 5 SS.
There be and then quite was there.
There
be go 5 years. Once your career no and go for beyond.
Once I go say S
world. Award you no. Also S.
And then now we are back.
Yes. Then you heard the crunchia se koba se genetically no se akwara na ko inherit cycling na at the crunchia ama akwara no bre ama yare ha wo mo no say red blood cells no o ma na ekwe ni padua no the juma pa no say eje emframa so ho na ama a pushing from ama every part of the body any moja and echo I just said accessory organs no we more it's me and I say me and I sing I don't know I on the bed I was skin no more odin but enyini ba bontia emoja anim on say attach it to the skin no yes you know to more onto your bian yes but we down so yeah we go to we down so a be fu aba we down yin so a be fu sa but the bed no e ho no we twa skin na eni ase yes and oxygen adwuma pa ye no the wia na age efin bia wo mu no asa de abre o lungs no na wa home de apie elo nte so bi bo wa ye se on kata na no obi sneeze a yes on kata no so that efin na blood cells na age de abre lungs na apie no e benya kwan apie enko ren pa wo mu ama no so enko yare but sickle no sickle no sickle yo akwasa no yes flowers is away and no and I did a toe say idea we say no we the shape of sickle now on say so the see I overship as akwa bi sa no aye we no omo what side dey say no omo blast sauce no red blood sauce no sanate enti na dey ade no ato side no but no normal way a normal blast sauce around e kukruwa but the what side dey we no ono ede no e sickle shape
I to say
yes akwa no very good enti no enye round eno na ye tia na emu no abs very good eno na ma omunya complications no say around na e rent nim koboko asem bia ni hono but the moment e be sa na mu abie no e kwa na koloki in the loki a mo so afi very good enti so no what is true yes and the attack in about when that crisis now most na hase no hana ho eye ni ya power to ya pa because say second na blocking tin na ho inframent mi ma ha yes when attack no most the joint be and I'm say second na be so na block you no inframent ma ho nutrient ma ho moja ma ho na Africa na say e ho no na what ya say a moving free one call ya e be show obeti ya no sa yesi wonya crisis eni padua no man blast house na make no say for me a so what we a wo de normal no bet master for 120 days yes so for me blast house na a transport of blood and oxygen na it stay on the for 120 days before hemolysis and sana I break it down for new ones but we mo de no and I'm say shape no nya run na yes continue a chai 60 days na break it down na time one soon no for into for me it's no anemic it's na awie
120 days no was so
ansana yes over for I was say we are 9
60 days no
and how the I break it down
the next 60 days blood cells and am
yes into moja no form
into moja no form this year man moja
very good
okay
this I go for term be anti I sickle cell anemia and get sickle cell disease but and I say omo nyina ya anemic nti no but dey hu no say omo moja no omo ye nkwala e will range what say do above that omoja crisis below that omoja crisis yes
moja no e was say 5 ebro 5 asama
yes
ebro etiba 5
for so asama
how do you determine
and your man mo hu na den wo
how do you determine say moja na 5
hanti you say there we say there nyama ayofo you test kit ho see every morning we can check your blood babiada but the danger so on and say almost most of them lack vitamin K o breaking the moja ntwara
or lack vitamin K
yes
do I really now say
o ko break ya attention
we clinical person
yes
medical person now we ba hospital
now
oh yeah sickle cell no
hey
now the moja say o ko twi the
yes
moja ade ko wa
yes
sa je keto anwa we moja
betu no ma die ehu kwa say unya qualify na say one time vein na e security na apply vein no
we say
yes now kwa interview na
ayi ni wa na
apply
ni so betima hu
yes and you say san kwala no bo pa na ko pio no na bibia be se no ho plot omuja no abel ta ho no ma na fe ayesa de no san kwala man it's a most obi e ka omo asem na me wona duro me treat ya na
why
yes because we are rough akana ahwe nkwa and you know the oba emi na ye mom no say your mom diet plan so that on one body be produce blood na ohia no
okay
so I say na yes I still within a certain limit now body no because about that no blood crisis below that blood crisis there's no treatment for obi a was sickle cell no say e mo na drobi na ya tumi clear ya tumi ayi secretary no everyone na free ya check here we SS we SC we AS no na free wa be ebi a bi say no isi na me na bi a say no enti ba ye manage nkwala no moja na ho den all the time ebi ho no ma man ko baby na akwala bi we doctor wo hu na wo akwala wo ya de no bi ba mo ho no mo say o than yam like one for say spiritual way be hwe akwala wo akwala bia wo nyi aka hwe ne bo so ha so wo say ne fu no ba bia ne fu ne bo no asia no ho no edin kakra na entini kesim sisa ho no ma na so we bia apie wo ne fu no ene ne bo no ha na so we bia yes afi want to make say ne hu nwi tambia oyare tambia no na me ya awo ba want to na
okay
so na say sakra no ye bia but they make can say omo here attention pa anya say Matthew do da information time ko to bia ma no na ye say eboa Matthew da bi tambia no medical doctor obi o qualify no so he no so we can o ko na so wanya malaria me ko pan ye na the courses na fe akọ pint bi na fe mo dina sa say enyu udi agra wa hwe akwala no enti so the treatment o ma sa microphone na say ye ma moja no stay within the limit na body ne pe no aha na fe ya boa yes na onya crisis ne bebre enya sa from so bo no to so many 20 years in there anade kakra just say wuti na say obabi obi no na bi obi akra bi ofi obi ye paniku na obi am so between when ya say aso ho no na ma ba na ya manage we say no ade ma say ba ya nkonya crisis ne bebre but secretary so aba no so betuna ba na ya hwe ade ya ma but so ko ware dia make sure say o secretary no wonya career oba no so akwara no enya career na mo nyina amatimi enya nkwala amobenya ahoden na bless us na ahoden atumi bam na nkwala no enya ahoden ade atena wiase enya we nkun ade bia ka bia no otuo na momba emi sandrika ebe hwede ama kuma se ande yo atwuma techima kwada so hwima se ofase kwana so no na enkran so yo wodome odu St. John's na wasi woko amen sandrika number 0277 00 1234 0277 00 1234 and 0241 36 73 49 0241 36 73 49
ara wo sharfi nyankopon ade ya safo. Thank you so much. What you said that you be bia homa no doc you be activate lines no na afei yetimi aye enim said do na be frɛ na yatotwe enkomo no sane na wo sese pacho tra na higher majority seat aha okay aha na majority seat entina na je ba no minority I know abetna ho yatotwe enkomo no sane ese bejiri so ho ye Bibi aboko ya do bad ya se pacho so microphone no e mame aha good one ya do bad ya se okay abusuafo Derek Cosby Osu NDC Asante Regional Communication Team member 10 KNUST president ono anete that's the young president easy. That's good to say.
Omanhene Yaw,
I said that to say security be was school now. How much? But I hope say
yes.
See, I will be okay.
School paying for the new so
we go.
We say KNUST security wise be a bear come up. It's no Yakupandum so no. Bibia so the na so okay. With the students as your own. Yes, you the peace of mind it's in this.
Okay. The Chief Justice yesterday sent his letter. And also the response to the statement. Ebeto just say, Nipa miensa petition the president. Say, Omufisa Chief Justice, the Juman Sanity, Ultimate Free Hall. Omampeni man enadu enra also so edina nanu December command Omampeni. It has set a stage for the president to consult with the Council of State. And then if a prima facie case is established, the president has either suspend the Chief Justice or let her stay pending the outcome of the investigation. Many people feel say, more onye. If you must feel say, onye. Now, Omanhene Yaw mama, and you are known as who in a free home. Nipa be fee say, Chief Justice Salamuntu, what you know. In the dispensation of our 1992 Constitution, there was an issue with Georgina Theodore Wood, and also the Basa. No Chief Justice have been removed, but we have a precedent where the Electoral Commission has been removed. CCA, there is another petition on the table of the president, say 4 members of the commission, the chairperson, J. Mensa, Tete, Director of Operations, Dr. Bosman Asari, and Professor Apia Hine, petition in the hall. No Omanhene Yaw, but wait the hall. If people feel say it will set a bad precedent, if you free say, my man in Koye to say, Chief Justice is like all in all, say, or to me, you know, an arm of government to obey to my area. What do you make of that? Then, secondly, this cocaine banter. According to Bebes, was a in Team for Joe Canasem, government spokesperson also responded, I'm a Ghana for a baby, but when it comes to cocaine, we don't joke with it. Mami Tio Anope.
All right, Omanhene Medasapane Akunya, Odiamame. Now, Misha Assembly, check and say, is essentially the president of the Republic.
That's right.
President John Dramani Mahama. And then Yemame, the vice president of the Republic of Ghana, Professor Jenano Pokwajimai. That's the first female vice president.
That's right.
Yeah, Mami Choppa. Now, in chapter, 10K and Westphonia. Now, Omanhene, what we say, the premise of the Constitution.
But your mic in a swasso.
Yes, Maso.
I saw green.
Yeah, so green, yeah.
Okay. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, okay. So, the premise of the Constitution. Omu say democracy Ghana ye say ye di adwuma sisi ye di adwuma since 1992 no. Or see ye say onipa bia wo Ghana bia no you are not supreme and also you are not above the law.
That's right.
And nti no emra omo de ahye constitution ni mu nyina ye emra omo adwene mu no mu say or say eye adwuma onipa bia so. It's no share article 1 of the 19th Constitution it says clearly say the Constitution is the supreme law of the land.
That's right.
And any other person be all mine mubia is subject to the Constitution of the land. And until so we a Chief Justice, we a Electoral Commission, we any independent body be
even the president.
Even the president. Regardless of say yes, we independent body does not mean say we independent mandate in here absolute. It means that it's subject to scrutiny and subject to the Constitution. It's a constitution based on Article 146 and the provisions have it clearly. Say we a Chief Justice. Na say wonyoma wo ye dwumadi awudie enko ye ana say o state of mind bi o mental state bi ana say bia it was physically the body no enye to the state betimi abo motimi dwumadi ye a citizen of Ghana can send a petition to the president for your removal. And no say we a Chief Justice are not just a citizen of Ghana named Pewasem. But and I'm say democracy are practicing tino. And maximum ni bia who can say ultimately petition come on man penny says Chief Justice Jumodi Awudino and Kuye Timye Day AU free honum.
Okay.
And until Yena establishes say clearly no or man penny no moto utunum is in accordance with the law.
Okay.
But yen say Chief Justice Jumodi Awudino. Ade bia bebu mra so ana ase ade bia etia mra na se nyuma bia wo ye ya
ankoyi bia odi no
ankoyi ana. This is a case of Mampanyini afforded the kind of say the Council of State because per the laws and the procedures so you move Chief Justice no. The Council of State must establish a prima facie case and then based on that no now a committee has been established. A form committee na committee na Chief Justice fair hearing omo wie na reporting by president on man the president act on it. It's in way a clear test of the law. I say, PC, Ghana, Constitution. We are going to test the law. and they say no dikaka they have been the presidents independent body be say the electoral commission e ma Charlotte say wan be for the union free yes o you need free hono because no obi so petition ko say e ma Charlotte say no no electoral commission dwuma di a odi no na nipa no hunu say enko yie the then chief justice any yebu amotimi establish a prima facie case based on that so mo ye den omo yi ma me ye den e free hono and nti no President Mahama a law abiding leader odi mraso ohunu say the rule of law must work. Any rule of law, it simply means that let the law what rule. It's a man that say yeah juma. And it's not odiama the Council of State say omundi hu juma. No omonhwe say no kwebi wo mu fine. No kwebi any my chief just wafan hu wedi. And way back we so be na ho ama obi biara. Ye ne be ko independent body biara independent institution biara ma na ni ada ho say. Emna constitution ma ho kwan. Say onimadi bia wodi nko yetimi you free ho. It's in the opposition pukwana se position da ma on independent organization and institution that work to you still need to act according to the law.
What do you say to they that say the Council of State, though elected 11 members, 11 appointees, certain key personalities, they are all in the ambit of the president. The president has appointed virtually, and even the regional representation, the 16, they are NDC members. What shows say this woman will have a fair hearing, because the Council of State, definitely to them, it's not an independent body. Though the constitution stipulates, but they will do the whims and caprice of the president. How do you respond to that?
The Council of State, per the constitution, more aside the more appointed by the president appointed woman. Being elected. That's the 16 of them. They are being elected. And you know, yet mean painting as a NDC for. Because a man and man when before no more contest be other independent people no more contest be.
But you and I know 16
they are known
almost all of them are known
NDC. Known and affiliated to the NDC. They went for an election and they won the election.
Okay.
But no interest say Council of State members no more no.
They will kowtow to
the president no there be. And no interest because even at the end of the day, the Council of State fund by establishment, they will still give the Chief Justice a fair hearing. Okay, yeah. And the hearing to the Chief Justice has the right to come with a lawyer, definitely, to come and defend herself. And I don't just say Council of State, at the assembly by and at the report by and just say Chief Justice before there be. It's in a better process and see any President Mahama. President Mahama a leader bia on what has a man be adwuma. Ye may be cham Omanhene Yaw man pinyin na no lawyer. As you who no koso Oman ni mu a na ye die Oman ne mra eto ajeje mu. But this is a leader on your lawyer. Nanso President Mahama ni ye ne susuye ne bibia o de to akwamu bia e ya de a edi mra so kama senate. It's in the senior President Mahama no. I'm telling you. And if I say we be quiet, and say we Chief Justice be free, or no Chief Justice no free.
Okay.
Yes, because a petition, and you know, say Omanhene say previous government, and I'm a people for no allergy by Omi Aban. Who said this same Chief Justice a petition call say Omu free.
Yeah, by Professor Azar.
Yes, petition call.
But no, it did not meet the day because, as somebody of such nature, your petition is not supposed to be in the public domain.
Yeah.
But on the petition you go and was a publish it. So
yes. Yes. And it's number say me establish say clearly
no.
Yeah. Even though my people for say the same Chief Justice in Kenya the union free. And it's senior my people Mahama ba the same petition be as also aba. Petition is a petitioners in anymore. You can say and some woman no. Mrakwan society because you see Mahama na afemu dia. That's
right.
Because a band it dents the image of the Chief Justice. And you know, sending ye can as a government spokesperson, a radio so a TV so ye can't extra man for them. Ubianya Rushemu. Chief Justice no more Ghana for be ninja home. A bit any home. It's in the end one side, but we have a leader who is the president of the Republic of Ghana. Obasha saw the pepe a bed, a juma, not enriching as from Jaden, Abama.
Okay. Her Ladyship Justice Gertrude Araba Isabasa Kitokuno, the 15th Chief Justice and the 3rd female to hold that position, was sworn into office on June 12, 2023. And tonight is June way, Eba Obenya exactly 2 years in office.
Yeah.
Why is she being removed? Why do you think? Say, Mommy, it was so called. It does not lie in the purview of any Ghanaian. Say, a prima facie case in its local parlance. Say, Kwa do no, and in some way I can't find a hono. Say, Tansano Bonwa. Nano say, you have committee, or Mumma share, Ninsemu. Niam Freo, no suno me in Semano. Na Ekoviasia so debi. Mami se mo beka edie enisi eyi ni free ho anane se mo beka edie edi mu se okọ but answer na committee no beba no say a prima facie case eye established and as tansa no ba na council of state to omanpani for say onte ba sun ko bi no mo hwehwe mu a omanpani wo to me so be na tra ho anaso obedai obe suspend no
yeah
yema Ghana for ntia say emra no e wo hosa
yeah
the president can either suspend the Chief Justice or let her stay. As I speak today, Supreme Court, maybe around 10 o'clock, will sit to determine the case that was brought before the Supreme Court by Esefua, a member of Parliament.
And Omanhene Unim say, even with that crampono, it brings conflict of interest, because who will empanel the judges to sit on the same Chief Justice?
Definitely the Chief Justice will
Chief Justice now
but no, at this moment, cannot sit on the case. But she will empanel. But she can even decide to recuse.
Say,
now,
Obinya empanel. But she will still nominate Obia Onye empanel. What will say the man sit here?
So a conflicted. A
conflicted more. And they be a mechanic, Mr. Omanhene. You know, MP before the mistake of more power, and they are still repeating the same mistake for Abra or more position.
What is the mistake?
Because one who said time and more power about to Abano each incident see Parliament concerning the majority minority
when they went to the
Supreme Court, and they were President Professor Michael Quay, a honorable former MP, a free honum. Say because was sweeping carpet up from MPP to independence, or fitting his seat as a member of Parliament. Now a clear provision in the law. Obi a new watch in here, but every before it be the same precedence. A see ya, I don't want parliamentarians be co-independent. Yeah, they call you my free one. Almost a month, yes, the Parliament they are going to challenge the decision of the Speaker
at the
Supreme Court. Challenge here, but Ghana for more team for more my women. They be a case say when we get the opportunity to sit on TV and on radio near Kasa, and I say a microphone on TV near Kasa, a privilege be yenya. Because obi wa abantino onim de crashing ayeti ha Kasa.
Okay.
Yes. And untino because of onim dintino, say you my course before ye course nyina no Ghana for Ghanaians were watching. And it went against them in the elections. Almost losing majority of the seats in Parliament and 88 members of Parliament from 137 to 88. And the same mistake in almost a petition a call. You challenge said the important challenge the capacity and then the ability of the Chief Justice to stay in power or stay in office. Sorry, not a member of Parliament say Okako challenge the president's position, the president's power now not to be removed. Chief Justice challenge Supreme Court. You have the right to do that.
But the president should have informed.
Yes.
The Chief Justice of the petition.
Yes.
To give the opportunity. Say ono so na no December. And into ono interpretation of the law. A case say petition beto obampeni ani mu a obewo so ama Council of State no. And I say was so ma Chief Justice.
Yeah.
Asonte no odi anu ye ban sana inform
Council of State.
No. And no I see no. You compare one interpretation every Supreme Court.
And I'm making say, who say they see no more power no about majority issue no. The same thing clear provision in the law. Article 146 is stated clearly
the procedure in the remove Chief Justice. I just said the Chief Justice will be given a fair hearing. It's just say you'll be given a hearing or you'll be notified, and I say a petition will say more and sana Council of State Grandpa Ashim and yes sir. It's and yes say be a constitution to claim one and run about in conclusion say you will free honor. But we have a member of parliament, or MPP member of parliament, honorable lawyer Kosefua, at the court. Change this issue, and you know the conflict. I say, I mean, it may establish this here.
He wants to test the law.
Yeah, to test the law. Clearly, good. Obiandi watching here, but say, oh, test the law now to extent say, and maximum before now, on making the final decision. You know, and when a dream probably say, no, you are making a wrong decision now, and as you are making a wrong step, it goes against you. And you know, your own is clearly said, Honorable Vincent, it was a petition or they are called suit or they are court, Supreme Court for interpretation. I just said there will be a conflict. But now the Chief Justice herself will either empanel or appoint someone to empanel the judges or no Chief Justice na so. It's say enne and I china ruling bar. Ruling e beba no. Say Chief Justice kwa po di bi mumpa. Sa ruling e beba no. E ba sa Chief Justice na be di fu china.
Okay. Mame and welcome Nana J. Nana, at the same.
Senior.
Bibi Aboko.
Adom Ashe.
We're looking at the Chief Justice issue. Naya Sashe, the cocaine, this, around him. Aha, yeah, what's his yarn? Obiele Titan Casa. But I just say, young comrade, no tea. On the issue of the Chief Justice, and also the Nano Isama Penny. If you move, say, it is a bad precedent. If you say, Emrano should take his commandment too.
Yes, never was Sinaminchia, Minchia for no one of Jebra Moshe. Minchia, Minchia Ghana Mampany Dada, and Adutanko Kufado. So the former first class vice president, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia, Minchia no Pao Baby Bio, Minchia Mira, Waunia Penny, chairman of the Hokua Pia Kuka, Minchia Papa Baby Bio. Senior. Chief Justice, any petition, President Mama, and Honson Semno. Some Macau baby baby say a attempter, ye percy ye or no, near DJ Mensa, the electoral commissioner, ye de a sampany for the free. Because on my dreaming in an say, Nanado Danko Kufado and a debaye, a diomobaye, inti or more yen Nanado Danko Kufado, a bitten. Inti for that matter, say yen ya ba bemudia. I was see a far pine be near a day, a year woman free. Now the main target wasn't the Chief Justice. No, it was the electoral commissioner. Because the electoral commissioner and answer now bet me in a free honor. I was would deal with the Chief Justice first. Because obi the petition bar, obo the comma the Chief Justice. Until then, yen deal with the Chief Justice first. Then say a chireno. Almost the petition be about 2 hours or more for Mensa. It's your more train say yes, it is almost train say to me Chief Justice in the free war. Then near Sanko fa yes a petition. Na ya boy chirama ye Chief Justice no mode nabano. Then near ye or no so a day if because NDC in opposition. Joseph Yamin and then Crawford can say so mo ba ya bemwa omo be yi Jane Mensa every ho. Omo ba be mo be in free ho. And President Mahama too a Supreme Court for Nedin. So okay, Edin or the Maumo, or from unanimous FC. And President Mahama on record in the year 2022-2023, STT say, a bet taking new Chief Justice. Now, what to me, redeem the image of the judiciary. President Mahama, it is your mama what Jim Pobi say, and what's the new Chief Justice here? Echo a Supreme Court. And fellow Sufusukwachi in February 2025 year, STT said, for the past 32 years, the judicial service what Ghana has say no, any NDC ending ye. Inti for that matter, was almost share crime be on me fast or made mobile balance in your ma the judicial service anymore. It is some crofwa or me a lawyer for mu qualifies to me, you know. I will see a push on no so me call the Supreme Court nibi. It is the omu yeni nyinano sa a dream win a teacher. And besides, then I'm why Chief Justice there why
the General Secretary of the NDC, Fifi Kwete, petition e kwa ye no, ba kwa wom nie. Fifi Kwete said, Maame no recommended eye nkrofo justices ma President Akufo-Addo so promote omo emba the judicial service.
Allegedly, that is what you're telling us.
Yes, wom wo de beba bonti obi abehunu. So ta say, inti unconstitutional. Maame na eni kwan se oye den, otumi recommend you obi. And I yetra se na esi da bi. Maame no on his capacity nkwantumi recommend you obi nye den, emfa eye president. It will share Article 153 of the 19th Constitution. Estate Assembly was say the Judicial Council no led by the Chief Justice. It is only the Judicial Council no and the tenants no mu say assume si obenten of fata. Utumi recommend the edema the president. And utie a friend saying NDC for led by the General Secretary na omusi ebinsi da na yon constitutional. And I okofa the article 143 or 140 ni ehwemu a ukhu ho say you say answer no ye be power justices be accord the supreme court no president ne was akwanya no but in consultations or on the advice of the judicial council in consultations with the council of state iti maameni yamfum so bia sadie we kasa petition no nti omadwin ponina an say Akufo-Addo na yeden edene bae nti se Akufo-Addo kodia na Akufo ono so yeden onko de Akufo-Addo na DJ Mensa bae dia ono so yeden onko iti adwenponi nyina no Jane Mensa the electoral commissioner maame ne de omo pese omo yini free so that omo de ba kwa kwhye ho na ye petition ne kwa aye so simple ayede e de ama wo mo because oni akona wo ba no adwen a hye ne tirim no ne se John Mahama de ne bae for a certain mission. Iti enya adeboni bia na maame na ye. Maame ni yamfum so bia ne mum the main agenda ne say yenyi electoral commissioners no emfiri honomo na ye friend saying chief justice ni free be my kwan me yetumi yi electoral commissioners ne free ho. Na me ba me tie umi nuan so ai Charlotte say obi petition ni esenyi ni free ho. Maame ka se me jo. Charlotte say na ni deputies. So kaya medusule. Yeah. Ene ne nkrofo omo ano. Yes, omo ano mo chiro omo petition. Na samba e kra no, yes say Amedusule transfer over 500,000 votes. Or the call baby obi anyede anymore. Procurement breaches ahodo e course wo krom ha. Nti enye obi ene ka se wotan Charlotte say ena okoyi ne free ho. Na mom within ono ane ho no, omo ano de bae. Iti excite sa e example no. Chief Justice no onye hwe. Na mom e agenda ne say Jane Mensa yene ne etwa so ewo opposition nti ye be keka ne ho nsem ne ya petition president yi free ho na ye fa yen de yen de enkonkosho because o madwen pon ne say electoral commission no na oni om nye de enya adwen no ye nnioma bi so ayede etia wo mo iti for that matter e was a pekwan bi so ne yi free ho adanti na obi petition president e fa eye friend saying the electoral commission no on fa ho asem emma metuja. Second no sweba, you see automatic. President no has a post office. No posting out the call
within 3 days or so.
Yes, no posting out the call the chief justice. So that on also trans no ahwe the be any
establish a prima facie case.
Iti sese no unka ho asem. Ni nyina ne say chief justice no mo ne no mo pe kwan bi so ambefa so ambe de mo be yi na free ho. Mo yi na free ho due dia. Then you can deal with the electoral commission. But
that's your conspiracy theory.
Oh, and only the main obi ehunu otenase na ohwe ndi ze ade electoral commission no mo pe na yi na free ho. But electoral commission no se wo betumi yi na free ho a chief justice no so ye wa adwempo bi se na MPP for na de ne bae na Akufo-Addo na de bae Jane Mensa no so na Akufo-Addo na ye de ne bae ene se ye nkoyi maame we free ho ye tumi en fa yen sanka electoral commissioner no. That is the whole agenda. But President Mahama and the NDC nintia say almost set a bad precedent. Because the omo ya kire say obi a next government bi obebebi also dey Chief Justice Sheni Botom. The omo person omo kire say next government bi obebebi and also do Chief Justice here dey Sheni Botom because the owo no oye aban bi beden. But nay ye wo krom hey ukona ye buama wa Usi hey judicial service no say omo ye adwuma. Ukona wasem ni nsuo nyinam ni ebutia wa. Usi hey judicial service no mo ye biased. Nti ndisi wadwum po bi say for the past 32 years the judicial service no I am biased towards them. It was more balancing yoma. It was see Jim Crawford bebre yede every ho. Na omo de yede eko she ho. But media make president mama say onu na 2 million yede e wo no. But the all ye no mane money di enko Ghana books mu say onu no ba ya Chief Justice bi a onye hwe ofa akwati kwan bi so yede eyi ne free ho.
All right, you understand the issue of cocaine. Now, I sound about China because you started the issue. I want you to consider now if he has to come.
Senior, I cocaine hun sensami. And then me do a team junction. Nankophobia with me. Almost say, Quachi, a cocaine buying my. So I say, do KJTR, almost say, NDC are buying a cocaine buying. Oko senior high school, I say, NDC are buying a cocaine buying. A day.
Now then, I buy out or no to me a basti cocaine, no more basumu.
Wa basti cocaine. The issue is, NDC for no omoba bemua. Sanyoma we esisi pa. Ote ponsemba. Utis every blessed week, every blessed month. Ye bo cocaine so e ukru emo.
That is omo.
Enya no kure. Eye agenda. Ye faswa. Ye de settle. Eye omo koji sike free omo for 2024 campaign.
And why do you cause arrest?
The issue is Omochi be on the 4th of March, no.
Okay.
Almost say NDC NBD. Anamebwa.
Yeah.
NDC parliamentary candidate.
Has come
yes, for a second day. When we saw the Papa Nijina court.
Man, because NDC need idea.
You don't know when you're current or when you're current.
I think yesterday Tim Fojo came to
PC 2020 PC 2020 PC for second day NDC second day PC or 2020. Or no, and yes, a chain, national security, if you don't know. Iti, and nay, you who say NDC for no yede, or yes, Adian. And no more castle matches are a cocaine, no. One who national security say wa babontin, abe catchero case in the baby of Aquacudru. One who's only a chronomochi no Monsieur NDC, no. One who saw the Najinam Renim Ghana. Yente baby I. But national security nam kroma, and we run for them. It's a trope if I say, cocaine issue I yekin. And yes, a boy a ceremony ye can't move. Nemom near Kosovo Ghana and Yede, ye can't want some. Because he playing ya CBC. Shen trap Feliso for Sukachi, and then the boy see 80. I am not surprised, I mean, you're better than her. Or because of your government spokesperson or now your government communicator, because on the Ghana for fem no on TB. The entire one to be say, once a budget near 788 billion cedis, Edema, a government communications. Into Busumi Bia, Felix Manakakra. 1 year crown and 5,000 Ghana cedis, NDC communicators. Oh, Ghana has.
Well, I don't know what to say.
Me just Kabia.
Your government.
Me a party, me a party communicator. Me government communicator.
No,
so government. I am Mitian also a government communicator.
Okay.
Mitian show so I say.
Okay.
And you see. Koke asami ayeke. Yachi koke on the 4th of March. I say worth over $150 million.
And then 8th of March too.
Ena play na yeka ho asemi. Efi eye Grand Canaria hono. Efri ho straight to Ekotoka. 8 days after yachi koke no. Na play ni be si krom ha. Felisofo su ka che be ka kire say play ni be develop eye photo ha. Emed for no so ka kire say omo be bu fu Oh, crew him. Say Ghana a fuel station. Yam fancha womo. Oh, Philip fuela. How many minutes and how many hours? Oh, Philip plain fuela. It take you 45 minutes to 1 hour. Na ya then it taking 5 days. Oh, crew ha. Fofro by a see okofa a spare pass by a crew him. Fellows of Fosuko achieve a catcher and say, oh no, a plane fee. A year is it Angola and a bar street. Rwanda and a bar street. No boy. If he Grand Canary hono and a bar Ghana and a core Rwanda and a core Angola and a samba back to Kutuka. It on that very day a plane is sent to a free Ghana Hasino. And yet he say cocaine worth over $350 million. And also yes say at Ukrumba. And also I take him. On the 25th, a plane A2 free Ghana. Ote Kotoke Dum Kania Ninao. So 25th.
Almost 5.
Iti why na wo pesa wo dada na okruma. E dia na buy no teswo no o pesa wo de sie Ghana for. Eye agenda ye de finance eye womo a omukọji eye omusika eye 2024 elections. Iti nei I'm not surprised say Ghana utu kwan na woni say omo de Ghana for ato ye o ha omo ba. Ene obi a whoever say obi wo Togo, obi wo Cameroon, na say wunyina woni ni tu kwan akọ eye UK na US a. Search a ye de bebo eye wo Ghana ni no. Eye sa search ni ye de bebo obi okọ eye Cameroon. Ofi Cameroon eko. Adentia. All in the name of say ene Ghana ababaye a transit point for air drugs. All in the name of NDCT. And now yasi yachi guy ba could be UK based citizen be oye Ghana niya. Ono so yachi no air Nigeria all because of Sardine. And no cramponi yati say the relative be NDC penny power grow emo. It you can clearly see inu boni NDC by 3 months the omode Ghana for FM. 3 months pe hwe the omode Ghana for FM. Na wo kwa say oh ai na mo MP before ai yachi obi ewo friends oye MP ni ade na ayele ametepe so ni no na down for pa ni chocho mucho pa ni domahama in 2014 na ayele efa eye baby a president efa ewo airport the VVIP airline no na ayele ametepe efa hono efa cocaine eshe ne bag mu e di free Ghana ha e di ko eye UK abrochi mem he throw airport na eche no ye chi no nipa 6 omo boa na Ghana ha no mo yes sympathizers to NDC grow from the omo port o man ko fa eye VVIP ho ye chi omo Ghana ha na ye ni omo di omo atem no aban in 2015 do ma ha ma aban e ka kire attorney general say kona ko ka kire omo say sa case no ye nto aso bio ye nyai sa boys no. This is encrofor multi amemum. It's your modi NDC ba eye akunya so bia na. The tiene say koke dwedie etumpon kroma. Koke ensam ye de ekosoro ewo kroma. Aye ti say dumso na o. Dumso na ye strategy. Strategy a no mudi tua eye omo finances bika. Omo mton eye generator ne platform. That's our strategy na. The same thing applies to this koke.
Mami bra oje, video.
Omanhene.
Yes.
What we say MPP are buying. MPP as a party. The moment or omeko opposition biara no. Komuye manka Ghana kra enhye no mutimra power. That is their mentality. That is a typical MPP mentality. Bi na menua in an age a display wa ha no. A typical MPP mentality in opposition. And say ejakra eto edum pizeta. Obeka say NDC for the doom so the jato. A typical MPP mentality. A typical MPP mentality and say a buying say ye NDC a buying, say ye catch omu plane. Omu cocaine deals no mo ye na mokata asumu mu aso no. Na cocaine me frame Ghana be dan cocaine hab no. Ye NDC a buying. Ye say word cocaine be fa be chewo. It's a bi na ye chewo mo no nti say ye chewo mo. Na so omu business gurus no mo ye cocaine ejuma no. Eyo mo yasi ye chi omu cocaine na ye because wache because yet your man ha ano Omanhene okay say British High Commission e release statement even na statement kwa mo ye press release and press conference and so mo ye about cocaine na e koso under MPP aban cocaine business na e koso under MPP aban and then I want to read the article as it is or say Ghana identified as transit country for drug trafficking, the British High Commission 28 June 2022, my joy online. British High Commission, they said they work with the government. Now Ghana has been identified as a drug transit country for drug trafficking. Now it's a cocaine. Read the article now. I say the British High Commission in Ghana has reviewed that the country has been noted on the global radar as a transit country for drug trafficking.
Okay. Especially
cocaine and other what psychotropic substances. And the MPP are buying on for the Baumia buying. As my British High Commission for Omoka and say, Omo interne or more investigative bodies or more your borders ninja. That's what they've seen. Say global radar. Ghana yetoso number 1 cocaine trafficking. Koso my and the MPP are buying. My buying so na cocaine twem hwi. Say ne yet see ya cars twem ko bayi. na cocaine twem to say the trot pie kejetia sana cocaine be na mo ye no my Ghana mu. Okay. But President Mahama say yen kan chairman and I'm repeating it. Cocaine mu defemu 5 ye be che 5. Mu defemu 10 ye be che 10. It is ye che na se mo ntia ase ye be che. Enti no se mo pa you can concoct any story bi amope bia. But say resetting Ghana agenda no. Ye ma Ghana nya bad image outside that. Say ma Ghana nya bad image be ye ready BCC ya British High Commission ka kire. You will not allow that. It's in 8 years. In 8 years, how many times someone before so much cocaine trafficking, how much be Ghana? How many times? They will never do it because no more can crow for more shots here. Or more cocaine dealers or more shots or more protected. So I didn't say encoso. But it's a buying biaba. That's a buying no. And you may go a queen. That's a saban making sure say cocaine be or be best or be drug trafficking be or my Ghana be amon or betchina and cames. But I say, as a patriotic person, also who feel the new patriotic party, and we are patriotic no. Na come bones no my buying say I buying why dear. So what's me ache? No more put him point in my prosecution no. Or better as a second D and a one former MP and a D
former
parliamentary candidates. And for second D, and I say, come on, Ghana for muti no. Omuni with you. Ghana for appreciate the fact say, a bind be a bar. Almost a cocaine create trim or watching. Ghana for appreciate the fact say, a bind be a bar or say I will solve the problem of drug trafficking. Ghana. Ghanaians appreciate that. 18 say, oh, by over the 8 years. In 8 years, no, you say na Ghana add an cocaine hub. British High Commission, and you Ghana for an account, and your Omanhene an account, and your Cosby an account, a British High Commission for an account. Send out my Ghana, the cocaine trim now. Omanhene over Sakai. Say in 2007, under LP Koya, no more Bemu. Cocaine and an Kunti. Okay. Say cocaine. If you're my father Ghana, you use a way cocaine. A Korea channel, or cocaine and Kunti. Hey, I don't need to say. I don't see say cocaine free any other country nearby. If I say the Caribbean countries be nearby. Hey, no me go Quintana. And I Ghana they say Ghana go Quintana do Ghana and say is it speak cocaine every different country ever Ghana. Really a course under MPP aban. It is a mini betina. Now or then 20 that's how the government minister for the state in front of communication. Honorable fellas, Kwacho Fusu Eka say, oh, not playing on more land than for maintenance, but or no say if or no say for fueling. I miss a million and age as my working any muda because article or ha a chair say airbed for no airbed for no a statement on release concern this issue no. Almost say we stopped at Kotoka International Airport over maintenance issue. That's report on the 3rd of April 2025. Ghana Web. Or say Ahmed International response to drug trafficking allegations. Let me go to a more. Or say upon landing in Ghana, the aircraft experienced maintenance issues, and a second aircraft was dispatched with replacement parts, supplies, and technicians. So better na ha. Na wo di atro. If you say mo de sisi am hallmark atro di. If you say you hu say mu yi Alhaji Baomia na obi age tu say ntro di. Number 1. And it also be gina ha be di atro say na omoso be fu na for the week as na maintenance it no kra bia ni. But per the statement here they are saying say na a maintenance. Oman Ghana na say ya chechere no. Yan NDC aban. We will never ever see a dia homaso any hand time ebebu Oman Ghana. Debi.
Okay.
Just in 3 months in opposition, man no see no. Just in 3 months in opposition no. Hwa homaso ne hand time omode kasa as if say yamamo 8 years Oman nim. It is a Bible ban so stop it drug trafficking almost a month.
Mama your birthday is not happy birthday to Helena Bekaba Kolok. Helena Bekaba Kalok. Marketing and underwriter of Donwell Insurance, Sinyani Charity of Sinyas. Engineer Atapoku, happy birthday to you and your twin sister Atapoku. Happy birthday, engineer Ohineba Atapoku, metro engineer. Ewo Asante Mantemha, and that day, engineer Yamautrin Kwa, Uchedi Ampon, Kwame, Otto Unia Mo, and Kwam. Come. Happy birthday to you. George Nobain, if you just say, and there you are, that. Joshua Nyamiche, Mrs. Sarah Barnes, St. Michael Hospital, Pram. So, from your husband, Mr. Barnes, Mrs. Sarah Barnes, happy birthday to you. Nana Samoa was Santema Ponchi Domine, and there you are, that. You know, Cosais or Chiao, Martingo, Philomena, and neck. Oh, Akosia, take it off. Her birthday is tomorrow, please. Happy birthday, Angelina Mabua, a trader at Kenya, say, Inspector Entry of Regional Highways Patrol, a summer trinkwa. Nana,
Senior,
the time now, so my will be 2 minutes.
Okay. Senior, Oza Miniano, Oditro. I mean, so won't tea fellows of Fusuquache. So with Tiena and comment na meka a different thing. Fellas on live television say, I made for no AC chrome ha. So mo babe refill a plane no. Fool. To catch him say a new one, no name oka. And also, fellas of Fusuquache cosisa a year in Foni Bibegu a year Facebook page. And then Yamiadum technology ababebre. Udi picture ni 2 muano. A chiro date to much as a picture na. You did take first saying picture and two a year first saying other air technologies, you know. It could ye 2017. 2017 no much just up a year pictures no. And a fellow so for so catch the bed Ghana for. And you sit here, Uma when you say in your my cost na any my bonny. In your my cost na any my bonny. Modia moba every blessed day. Yeti cocaine ka okroma. Most much cocaine. Edia na akwakusi. Koke aban and it is what. Koke aban and it is what. 3 months in government. Mo head Subaya Modernity. And you have finished going away at the end Ghana, the Utukaya. I just say, ye the satellite is so copim say, Ube Ralphie. Jitumu say, the emotion and ye papa. Some move you say most settle business people on this Koke matter. Yatemon country Ghana for. Because that's the main agenda. Modi yes, Adiano. Iti emetraha emekeka sa nioma wonye de unim 3 months in government yen Ghana for the year penny say modi eye ahotobe ye de ebebreye because wo tra he catch me 3 months amoba abemu ade ben pa na jomahama ya the good people of Ghana able say e wokru we mo.
All right,
ade ben oye
that's a question
because
asked.
Ghana
Okay.
for fa eye wo dum so na modi Ghana for.
Okay, Mamichi.
Say in 3 months in opposition ubisa say Ghana for pa hoto a and in 8 months in government and I'm wabe.
In 8 years.
What's in 90 years?
In 8 years.
90 days.
In 8 years.
90 days nasu.
And
90 days nasu.
So in 8 years in power no. Wait me up. So I'm don't say in 8 years to power but in 3 months in power. In 3 months Ghana phone say I am 11 now. Mo be to am so no my den. Omo ye free. In 3 months in power no, just 3 months in power no. Ghana for who say and trying na da na mo ka say NDC be betwa free teachers mu ye ntwem ye to aso. In 3 months in power no, Ghana for who say betting tax mo betu mu abu no so no. Ye free ho. In 3 months in power no, Ghana for who judicious spending na amamu a Ghana for sika som so ye. Ehunu say
2.7 billion
just only 60
million. Only be 2.7 billion.
In 3 months in power.
2.7 billion.
So the huni.
2.7 billion.
Just in 3 months in power. Ghana for who say ye wo aban bia. Odi koke betwem obechew. O ma wo fanko. Ghana for who say ye wo aban bia.
Koke no mo dia ma mo boys is am nkoto no.
And just in 3 months in power Ghana for who every before atro mo ntima fa evidence ba ko pempo. A me chere say plane AC ya no na cocaine den ewu
obefa cocaine ko ya
3 months in power
plane be cocaine obefa $350 million cocaine ko
all right, ladies and gentlemen,
in government.
On this note, let me thank Nana AJ and then Derek Cosby for that wonderful time. Extra the Kawasem Jumede Brevo. My name is Omanhene Yaw, the chief executive producers Akosia Sumwa Kukua Jando. Ably directed by Ya Grace, Kevin and Azuka, Safu, and all the team helping out. Have a wonderful day. It's time for food time.